Hey everyone, are you thinking about buying a 5G phone in 2025 that is the perfect combination of mind-blowing features and rock-solid reliability? One that crushes the competition in camera quality and performance? Then today's video is made just for you. Today, we're revealing Samsung's next game changer, the Samsung Galaxy P1 5G. This phone has everything that makes a device an absolute monster. You'll get a 200 megapixel DSLR level camera, Samsung's most powerful, blazing fast processor, and a battery that won't quit on you for 2 whole days. So if you want to be one of the first to snag this incredible smartphone, then don't skip this video for a single second. Because in today's video, we're giving you the most accurate information on this explosive smartphone's full features, price, and launch date. Let's get straight to it. Features of the Galaxy P1 5G. Display. Let's start with the screen, the part that will instantly grab your attention. This phone features a massive 6.85-inch OLED display. It's not just big, it comes with 1.5K resolution and a butter-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Imagine this, whether you're playing high-graphics games, streaming 4K movies, or just scrolling social media, everything will look incredibly crisp, vibrant, and smooth. You won't experience lag for a single moment. And yes, it comes with Gorilla Glass armor protection. That means a worry-free life. Camera setup. If you're a photography enthusiast, this phone is going to make you obsessed. The Galaxy P1 gives you a pro-level camera setup. Its main camera is 200 megapixels. Yes, 200 megapixels. It includes OIS support, which means your photos will never be shaky, even if you're taking a picture while running. Alongside it, there are a 50 megapixel ultra-wide, and a third 10 megapixel sensor. These will bring incredible depth and zoom capabilities to your shots. And for the selfie lovers, it has a powerful 50 megapixel front camera. Performance. Now let's talk about power. This phone is fueled by Samsung's most powerful, next-gen processor, the Exynos 2500. This processor is no joke. It can handle multitasking, high-end gaming, and heavy-duty apps with absolute ease and zero overheating. That means your phone will never lag or stutter. And it will launch with the latest Android 16 operating system, giving you a new, secure, and the smoothest user experience possible. Battery and charging. No matter how great a phone is, if the battery dies fast, it's useless. But the Galaxy P1 gives you a massive 7200 mAh powerful battery. Samsung is claiming it will easily last for 2 full days. No stress, no power bank needed. And if the battery does run low, there's no need to worry, because it has 90-watt super fast charging support. This will charge your phone from 0 to 100% in mere minutes. Price and launch date. Now for the most important information. After all those insane features, what will it cost? According to leaks and reports, the Galaxy P1 5G is expected to be priced around $790 in the global market. For these features, that price is incredibly attractive. While there has been no official announcement from Samsung regarding the launch date, market chatter suggests this phone will hit the market early to mid-2026. So, which feature of this phone excites you the most? Let me know in the comments below.